welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, you're welcome, and please subscribe to the channel and turn on notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Okay, on our previous lesson, the previous episode, we talked about data entry, what data entry means, why data entry is so important to businesses today, organizations today, and why it is so important in the society, why it is in high demand in the society. That was what we talked about in our previous lesson, and we talked about the names of the cell. Okay, we said this is a spreadsheet, and we talked about the name of each cells. Okay, we talked about so many things in the video. If you have not seen it, please go back to the other video to check. Today we are going to be talking about something different. Okay, we are going to be talking about something different today. We are going to be talking about so many things, so let's get right into the video. Now, let's say, for example, I want to make a report. Let's say they've given a raw data to me. Like I said in the previous video, they've given a raw data to me. Then I want to enter it into the computer system. Maybe it's a sales report. Maybe someone gave me a sales report to enter for them. Okay, then let me just highlight this place like this, because there is not how you want to make a report that the report will not have a heading. The report should have a heading. You cannot just come and just type something and present it that way. No, all the data you want to input, whatsoever data you want to input, you must make sure it is appealing to the eye. You must make sure of that. So let's go to merge and center. Don't forget, merge and center. We have so many options under it. We have merge and center, we have merge across, we have merge cells, we have unmerged cells, and so on. But this particular one, we want to make it merge and center. And why? I want to merge all of the cells together, and whatsoever I want to write in this cell, I want it to be in the center. Okay, I want it to be in the middle. That is simply what you are telling this app right now. So let's go merge and center. You can see once I type now, it is going to go to the middle. So you can see sales report. Yeah, it's in the middle. Okay, it's in the middle. Sales report. Okay, don't forget, on the previous episode I talked about how to bold in your word. Okay, this sales report is not visible enough. We have to bold in it. You come right here. This is it. You click on this B. It is now bold. Okay, it is too small. You want to make it big. Look at the movement of my mouse. Look at it. You come here. This A here means this word I want to increase the size. Okay, you can use this one as well. Oh, you can use this one as well. Okay, but for the sake of this lesson, let me just use this. This means I want to increase the font size, and this means I want to decrease the font size. I want to make it smaller, but here we want to make it bigger. You click on it to make it bigger. Okay, and that's it. I said all of this number here is for the purpose of Excel. This will not come with your reports. So whatsoever you want to do, you have to put your serial number here. Okay, you have to put your serial number right here. Okay, items. Okay, then probably you want to say Monday. Okay, normally you'll be thinking, oh, you will come here again and type Tuesday. No, Excel is automatic in nature. Excel is automatic in nature. You don't need to stress yourself. This is Monday. Then you look at the movement of my mouse. You bring your console here, then you drag. Can you see? As you are dragging, you are telling Excel that I wrote Monday here. I want you to complete the days for me. And that's it. It is going to complete it. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. You can even go further. Yeah, you can as well go further. Okay, you can go further, but I want to let's stop in Saturday. Okay, then if you check it very well, you see that this Wednesday is not showing properly. Don't panic. Come up here, and the console is going to change to this plus sign. You just double click. That's it. You come to this F as well, you double click, and that's it. Okay, and that is it. And don't forget, Another thing on Excel is whatsoever you want to do, you have to put a border. You have to put a border. Before we go to that, let's enter our serial number as well. Number 1. Normal way you want to put number 2, right? No, you don't need to do that. Drag down as well. The same way, the same thing we did for the days of the week. Same as this serial number. Click on this place. You know this is 1 already. You've told Excel number 1. So you want to tell Excel now that complete the numbers for me. Come right here, then you drag it down. You can see that Excel is showing you 111. That is what Excel will show you. All you have to do is to come here, click on this drop down, then choose fill series. Then the numbers will automatically change for you. You can see that the number has changed. Now items, let's say fish, for example. Let's say toilet roll, for example. Toilet roll. Okay, let's say biscuits. I'm just playing around it. Let's say plastic. Let's say what again? Let's say bread. Okay, that's enough. Okay, come here. You can see that this toilet roll are splitted to the other cell. Come right here and double click. Yeah, that's it. There's one thing I need to tell you again. You don't need to bombard a particular cell with so many things. You don't want to write fish and you now say you now type something else. You say paper here. No, your work will not come out in a very neat way. Okay, it will not come out in a very neat way. No, don't bombard yourself with a lot of things. Let's delete this one. Now I want to show you. Let's input a figure. You can just put any figure that comes to your head. This is the purpose of it's for the purpose of the lesson. Okay, just play around it. Okay, let's input this one as well. Let's input it. There's something I want to derive out of this. There's something I want to explain, so I need to input this for you to be able to understand very well. For you to understand very well. I'm trying to input the figure now. Okay, let me stop here. You can see that this work, the way this work is, this work does not have a border. It does not have a border. Let me show you. I'm going to show you. Let's come to print. Okay, let's come to our print review and let's see. Can you see? If you are printing this is how it will come out, and it is not looking so neat. You need to put a border. Yes, you need to put a border in a table form. Let's go back to our work. If you want to print it, this is how it's going to come out, and this is not looking so good right now. So come here, then you highlight. Okay, you control A. Okay, you highlight to control A, then you come up here. Look at the movement of my mouse. This is it. You come to this place, then you click the drop down. You are going to see so many options: bottom border, top border, left border, right border, no border, all borders, tick box, so many. But what we are using here is simply all border. Okay, I don't want the border to include the sales reports. Okay, so I'm just going to highlight from here, and that's all. Okay, so let's go back to our border. Then you now give it all border. You can see that it is now thick and is now looking like it's inside a table. Let's go back to our print review to see what we have done. Let's check the difference between what we did before and what we just can you see? This is more neater and more presentable than the previous one. So border is very important when you are inputting your data. Border is very important. Then there is another thing that is very important as well. There's another thing that is important. Look at this. You can see that this item is in sideway, by the side of the cell, and same as this serial number, same as this as well. How do we centralize it? We need to centralize these items We need to centralize this data to make the work more neater. Highlight everything, okay? Highlight it. Then look up here. Look up here. This no, this no, this no. This is what we want. We want to centralize it. Look at what is written there. Center your content. Centralize. Let's click on it. And this is its roller. Look at how all this is centralized. Then this, all of this is not bold enough. It is not visible enough. It is the days of the week, don't forget. It is not visible. It needs to be more visible than even the figure itself. So come to bold and bolding it, and that's all. And that's it. Okay, and this is very important on Excel. It is so very. Let's go back to the print review and let's see the outcome. It will come out more neater. Voila, it will come out more neater. Okay, it is going to come out more neater. Maybe this is too, you feel like this one is too close to the sales report, then you want to bring it down. Okay, you just have to drag it. Look at it. You highlight it. Don't highlight from the sales report. You highlight from this place, then you come here. It will change to this icon, then you drag it down. You can see. Yes, but this is too much. Just move it up a little bit. Okay, let's go. Can you see that there is now a single space between sales reports and the table? Let's go back to the print preview to see how beautiful the work is going to look. Can you see? This is so perfect right now. All you need to do is to complete the figure, and this is perfect. Okay, this is perfect. I want you to try. If you have not tried it, I want you to try this on your own before we'll now go to the next topic, that sales total. On our next episode, we are going to be doing something different. We are going to be talking about total. Don't forget, on this episode, we talked about merge and center. We talked about border. We talked about justification. What we did here when we, highlighted all of this and we put them in the middle means that we justified our work. Okay, this is very important on data entry. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And don't forget, if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with anyone who wants to start a data entry career today. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.